Plant FAQs. Alocasia portei. Alocasia portei. Unveiling the elegance of the elephant's ear. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the Alocasia portei, a stunning tropical plant that will add a touch of the exotic to your indoor space. This magnificent member of the Araceae family, also known as Port's Alocasia, boasts impressive foliage and a unique charm that has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsterholic.com. What is an Alocasia portei? The Alocasia portei hails from the lush rainforests of Luzon in the Philippines. It's known for its large, pinnate leaves that resemble elephant ears, hence the common name. These glossy green leaves can reach up to 2 to 3 feet in length and width, creating a bold and dramatic statement. The dark brown, striped petioles, leaf stalks, add another layer of visual interest. How to care for Alocasia portei. Alocasia portei thrives in a warm, humid environment that mimics its tropical origins. Here's what you need to know to keep your portei happy and flourishing. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering is a common mistake, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Aim for moderate to high humidity levels, around 60 to 70%. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray or a humidifier can help. Soil. Well-draining, aerated potting mix is essential. Aeroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Temperature. Maintain temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize once a month with a diluted balanced fertilizer. Alocasia portei, potential problems. While a relatively easygoing plant, Alocasia portei can face some challenges. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or low humidity. Check your watering habits and increase humidity if necessary. Yellow leaves. Older leaves may naturally yellow and drop. Excessive light or nutrient deficiency can also cause yellowing. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat them with neem oil or insecticidal soap if spotted. Alocasia portei versus other Alocasias. With over 80 species in the Alocasia genus, it's easy to get confused. Here's a quick comparison between Alocasia portei and some of its close relatives. Alocasia odora. This fragrant beauty shares the Philippines as its origin and is apparent, along with portei, to the popular Alocasia exportora. Odora features smaller, heart-shaped leaves with a velvety texture and produces sweetly scented white flowers. Alocasia zebrina. This showstopper is known for its zebra-striped leaves. Unlike portei's solid green, zebrina boasts prominent white stripes along the veins, creating a striking contrast. However, zebrina can be fussier about light and humidity. Alocasia frydek. This unique variety features puckered, wavy leaves with a distinctive rippled texture. While both portei and frydek have beautiful foliage, frydek's smaller size and compact growth habit make it ideal for smaller spaces. Alocasia portei versus Jacqueline. Alocasia Jacqueline emerges as a mutation originating from Alocasia portei, and it finds its native habitat on the Indonesian island of Sulawesi, where it thrives within mountainous forests. The moniker Jacqueline is attributed to the woman believed to have been the initial discoverer of this plant variety. A final note on Alocasia portei. Alocasia portei is a stunning addition to any indoor space. Its bold foliage and elegant presence make it a conversation starter. With proper care and attention, you can enjoy the beauty of this tropical wonder for years to come. Remember, happy planting!